news, the International Pentecostal Holiness Church leadership battle continues. The Jerusalem faction in Pretoria says the leader's personal affairs are being used against him. Michael Sandlana has been embroiled in a legal battle with his estranged wife. In the past 2 months, she has opened 2 fraud cases relating to a death certificate issued for his wife, who is still alive, and a change of ownership allegedly made without her knowledge. Sandlana, who is allegedly Gayton's son out of wedlock, is in a conflict with 2 sons of Gayton Modise on who will take over the church.
The persistent leadership battle of the IPHC took a new form through deliberate twists, where our father is personally being attacked and his personal matters are being used to discredit him in a bid to dethrone him. Meanwhile, the strategy has since shifted to the use of law enforcement officers who wantonly initiate prosecutions and persecute our father. This is part of the long-running bid to silence, isolate, and intimidate the IPHC in Jerusalem. The mission by those orchestrating this plot to dethrone our father is nothing other than to humiliate and embarrass him by seeking influence in the court of public opinion.
Now, the church claims that police officers are being used to intimidate and embarrass their leader, Michael Sandlana.
In that matter of an ID fraud that our father is alleged to have committed, all those who were arrested, they were intimidated by the police. They rushed to arrest whoever is associated with the IPHC in Jerusalem, or our father for that matter, including my colleague, as he has said earlier, about this alleged fraud of changing ownership of the car. Firstly, they investigate, or rather they arrest without any investigation concluded, without any evidence. Why? How can you rush an arrest a week and then you take 2 months to investigate? Why were you arresting? What were you arresting it for? And the modus operandi, interestingly so, the arrests that are made, they all happen on Friday. Why? To intimidate, so that someone spent a weekend in jail, so that there's no appearance in court. The courts are closed over the weekend.
In just a moment, we move to the